Hi, I'm Sam from Litmaps, and in this video I'm going to be covering how you could explore a particular area of research using the Litmaps Discover tool. And what the Discover tool does is that it crawls the citations and references of all your articles and finds those that are most highly connected. And this is really helpful because it does the citation chasing for you quickly and accurately. So to start off, I'm going to click on the Discover tool on the home screen and click on a new search. So the first step is to define the center point of your research by selecting one or more articles. You can do this via a keyword search, importing from a reference manager, or adding from an existing collection in your Litmaps library. In this video, I'm going to be importing a collection of articles in regards to technological unemployment, which is an area of research that I'm interested in. Great, so you can see the results here. I'm going to click on import. So you can see these articles have appeared on the visualization on the right hand side, and you can see that they're included in the selected articles dropdown on the left as well. So you can already tell from this visualization that some of my articles are connected. So for example, Feldman is cited by Orlando. You can also see how well cited they are according to the node sizes. So the bigger they are, the more popular they have been. So next I'm going to click on Configure Filters. Now, if you have Litmaps Pro, you have access to more controls to refine your research search inputs. So for this search, I'm going to be choosing the second degree search and then click on Run Search. Now, Discover tool will not only search the immediate citations of articles, but the citations of their citations as well. So great, so Litmaps has suggested the papers based on the inputs we gave it, and we can click on the papers and view more details about them. So the highest one here is the one that is most highly connected to my papers. As you can see, it is referenced by 3 of my articles in my inputs. So I'm going to add this on. Same with the next one. And this one, as well as the next one. Okay, so now I can run a second iteration based on the new inputs that I've given it. Great, so I can see from the titles of these articles that these are going to be very valuable for me to read, so I'm going to add these on as well. Great, so I can run as many iterations as I want to get even more refined in my research. However, I'm going to click on Finish. So now that I've done a couple of cycles, I can be sure that I've done a good survey of the landscape. And this is one of my favorite things about the Litmaps Discover tool, is that it gives you a really good feeling of how well you've exhausted the research area. So from here, I can add these articles into a collection by going on to New Collection. So if I just name this one, if I can spell properly, there we go. So this can act as my reading list as well. I can export them back into a reference manager using a BibTeX file or a CSV. I can monitor the search, which will run the search for you every day and notify you if there's any new articles that have come out, which is super valuable if you're doing research and you need to be up to date with the articles that are coming out. And the last thing I can do is to create a map, which helps you visualize these articles even further. And now that is the topic of my next video. So that is it for the Discover tool. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions in regards to everything I've talked about, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you. Thank you.